My friends, how many times have you heard someone saying, I can't stand Italian pasta, it's too hard? This is a huge misunderstanding. And today, I'm going to teach you the truth about why Italians eat pasta al dente. Look at this mushy pasta. It is a tragedy. In Italy, this is not how we do things. A proper pasta should have a little resistance, a beautiful texture that says, I am here. So how do you do it? It's simple. So let's start from the basic. How do we cook the pasta? Okay, so we get a large pot, please. Try to use the largest pot you have and put water. We say about a liter of water for every 100 grams of pasta, okay? So let's say you are cooking half a kilo of pasta, 1 packet of pasta, you need 5 liters of water in your pot. I always put liters of water in my pot anyway, so the pasta has space to move, to dance, to cook evenly, okay? Now you need to bring the water to boil, okay? So when the water boils, you add a tablespoon of sea salt or rock salt. You can add more if you want, but to me, 1 tablespoon is more than enough. Then you add the pasta, okay? In the first minute, you want to make sure you stir the pasta. That's how you avoid for the pasta to get stuck to the bottom, okay? So you move it around. You can stir the pasta again after 2-3 minutes while it's cooking, but the first minute is the most important one. I always go and stir the pasta again after about 3 minutes, okay? You don't have to, but I like to do it. Give me a peace of mind. So now the pasta takes 10 minutes to cook. You put the pasta in the boiling water and you start counting the time, okay? So you got 10 minutes to have a pasta al dente, right? At the 8th minute, we want to take one pasta out, spaghetti or penne or whatever pasta you use, and have a little taste. If it's way too hard, they kind of get stuck to your tooth still, then you know you need about a few minutes to go. Now it's 10 minutes, you quickly try the pasta. If it's al dente, which means to the tooth, which means that you can bite it, that you can feel it under your tooth, then that means you are ready to take the pasta out. Another way to do it is to take the pasta out, cut it enough, and see if you can see the white dot, little white dots. That means that is the uncooked starch. And when you see that white dot in the pasta is ready. So you take it directly out of the water and into the sauce. So what al dente actually means? Italians eat pasta al dente because this to the tooth texture holds the sauce better. It provides a more satisfying mouthfeel with a slight bite, and is more nutritious than overcooked pasta. Overcooked pasta becomes soft, soggy, and releases its starch, making it less digestible and impact its flavor and also the nutritional value. When you cook pasta al dente, it has a lower glycemic index because its starch is less broken down. This means your body digests it more slowly, providing sustained energy and preventing a sharp spike in your blood sugar. Do you understand the importance of this? It's not just a preference, it's a healthier way to eat pasta. Al dente pasta is tender but still firm, offering a pleasant contrast to a saucy dish. The firm texture of al dente pasta prevents from becoming a mushy, sticky mess. The unique texture of pasta al dente contributes to a more appealing taste experience compared to overcooked pasta. Pasta al dente makes it easier for the body to digest compared to the overcooked or raw pasta. Overcooking your pasta can cause starches to disperse into the cooking water, leading to a loss of nutrients that are retained when pasta is cooked al dente. Another very important part to consider is the pasta is cooked al dente and then finished in the sauce for the last minute of cooking, allowing to soak all the flavors without becoming overcooked. Okay, so the pasta al dente needs to go in the sauce, make love with the sauce, absorb all those beautiful flavors, the sauce, and then you enjoy it, okay? The pasta needs to be mixed, stirred, tossed with the sauce, okay? You cannot put the pasta in the plate and then you put the sauce on top. That doesn't work. That does not give you the benefits that you need to get from the pasta. You are missing out. I'm gonna show you the difference now, okay? Now on one side we have a bowl of overcooked mushy pasta. On the other side, okay, we have a perfectly cooked pasta al dente, okay? If you do a simple fork test on each one, you can see the difference in texture and integrity. So my friends, look at the proofs. This is the difference. The sad, sleepy pasta and the beautiful, happy pasta. Once you try it, you will never go back. I promise you. Eat pasta this way and you will be a true pasta lover. Because if you don't do that, I'm sorry, but you cannot be called a pasta lover. Let me try in the comments below if you have tried this before and if it did blow your mind once you tried it. For more authentic Italian recipes and to learn more about Italian food, please join and subscribe to all my platforms, my community, and you can get to learn more about Italian food and traditions, one video at a time, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe or cooking lesson. E ora si mangia a good pasta al dente.